Hey y'all, welcome to Cajun RNEWBBQ. I'm Bones. Glad you could join me today. Today's video, I'm going to walk you through how I do a small Cajun shrimp boil big enough for about 2 to 3 people. So, let's go ahead and get started. First off, we're going to take some celery. Cut them into thirds. Next, we're going to take some garlic. Just chop off the bottoms. No matter if it falls apart, it's all going to go in the pot anyway. Now we're going to go ahead and take some lemons. We're going to half the first 2. Now the third one, we're just going to go ahead and slice that one up. Now the onion, go ahead and quarter that. Like so. And we're all done with our ingredients. Alright, so go ahead and turn on the gas. Put the pot on. I'm in it. Got about, it's about half full right now. Got about maybe 8 to 10 quarts of water in there. This is a 20-quart pot. So, start letting that get to boiling. All right, we're boiling now. Since it's a small pot, we don't have to use the whole entire container of this 4.5 pound batch. We only have to use just a little bit. Just put a little bit at a time in. So that way it doesn't fizz over. And then now, we have an 8-ounce bottle here of their Zatarans. That was Zataran's bottle too. But this is the Zataran shrimp and crab boil. Their garlic and onion. We're gonna do roughly about 3 ounces or so. We're going to go ahead now and throw in this crawfish and crab boil, their package. It has mustard seeds, coriander, red pepper, bay leaves, dill seeds, cloves, and allspice in it. You want that to stay inside of its little pouch. So make sure when you finish the boil, take that pouch out. It's been about 10 minutes. We're going to go ahead and add our onions, our lemons, garlic, celery, and everything else into the pot. Stir that around real quick. Shut that down. Let that go for about 5 to 7 minutes. Let's go ahead and check the water real quick to see if we need to add some salt to it. Yeah. Need some salt. I'm adding some kosher salt to it. About 1/4 cup. Time to check that water again. We're good now. Now it's time to go ahead and add some sausage. Almost forgot. A couple dashes of hot sauce. Took the little stopper off. Let that go ahead and go for the next 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. We'll go ahead now and add the shrimp in. Give that a good stir. Now this is only going to take just a couple minutes. The shrimp's going to cook up real quick. Take the top off. Stir it around a little bit. Now, you want to cool it down real quick. Stop the boiling. So, go ahead and start adding some ice in there. And we're going to go ahead and let that soak in now before we pull them and eat it. Here we go. Oh, they smell so good. Everything smells phenomenal. Let's go ahead and try some of that shrimp. Oh, it looks pretty. Look at that. Even Big Boy wants some. Tastes phenomenal. That cayenne and pepper, you can definitely taste it right off the bat. Then you got some of that garlic and lemon coming right after that. Oh, so good. Let's go ahead and try some of that sausage now. Soaked up that crab boil just right. Got the spicy kick to it. Can't go wrong. Let's go try one of these potatoes. Ooh, oh yeah. Soaked up that boil. Got that spice kick to it. Can't go wrong. Last but not least, I always have a piece of that garlic. If you ain't tried it yet, you're missing out. Spicy garlic. It's great. If you haven't tried it, like I said, you're missing out. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.